Antarctica, a frozen continent of otherworldly landscapes and wildlife. In the far reaches of the southern hemisphere lies a vast, frozen wilderness like no other, Antarctica. Often described as the last great wilderness on Earth, this enigmatic continent is a land of extremes, boasting unparalleled beauty, surreal landscapes, and a myriad of fascinating wildlife. As the coldest, driest, and windiest place on the planet, Antarctica offers a unique and humbling experience for those brave enough to venture into its frozen embrace. Covering an area of about 14 million square kilometers, Antarctica is the fifth largest continent and is almost entirely covered in ice. It is home to the world's largest ice sheet, containing about 60% of the Earth's fresh water. The continent's ice extends far beyond its shores, forming massive ice shelves that calve into icebergs, some of which are larger than countries. The landscape is a study in monochrome, with vast stretches of pristine white ice, punctuated by towering mountain ranges and dramatic fjords. One of the most iconic features of Antarctica is its icebergs. These colossal ice structures, sculpted by nature, come in a mesmerizing array of shapes and sizes. Some are as smooth as glass, while others exhibit intricate patterns and hues of blue that seem almost otherworldly. As these ice giants drift through the Southern Ocean, they create an ethereal and ever-changing landscape, leaving visitors awestruck by their majesty. Despite its icy exterior, Antarctica supports a surprising array of wildlife, both on land and in its surrounding waters. Perhaps the most famous inhabitants are the penguins, an integral part of the Antarctic ecosystem. Several species of penguins, including Adelie, Chinstrap, and Gentoo, thrive on the continent's rocky shores and ice-free areas, congregating in massive colonies that can number in the hundreds of thousands. Beyond penguins, Antarctica is home to various seabird species, such as albatrosses and petrels, which gracefully soar through the frigid skies. In the waters surrounding the continent, marine mammals abound, including seals and whales. The Weddell seal, in particular, is a common sight, often seen lounging on ice floes or diving beneath the icy waters in search of food. The Southern Ocean surrounding Antarctica is a treasure trove of marine life. Enormous krill populations form the foundation of the Antarctic food web, supporting larger creatures such as fish, squid, and marine mammals. Orcas, also known as killer whales, are a common sight, skillfully hunting and socializing in these icy waters. Additionally, the elusive mink and humpback whales migrate to the region to feed and breed, offering extraordinary opportunities for wildlife enthusiasts and researchers alike. Antarctica's harsh climate and remote location make it one of the most challenging places to explore and study. The extreme temperatures, which can plummet to below -80 degrees Celsius (-112 degrees Fahrenheit), pose significant challenges for human survival, requiring specialized equipment and clothing. As a result, the continent remains one of the most isolated and pristine environments on Earth, largely untouched by human development. Despite the difficulties of life in Antarctica, the continent has attracted the attention of scientists and researchers from around the world. The continent serves as a living laboratory, offering insights into our planet's climate history and its future. Studies of ice cores extracted from Antarctica's glaciers provide crucial data on past climate variations, helping to understand global climate change. The continent is also home to numerous scientific research stations operated by various countries, each carrying out a wide range of studies, including meteorology, geology, glaciology, and biology. These research stations are hubs of international collaboration, fostering a spirit of cooperation in the pursuit of scientific knowledge. One of the most significant challenges facing Antarctica is the impact of climate change. Despite its remote location, the continent is not immune to the effects of global warming. Rising temperatures have led to the thinning of ice shelves and the retreat of glaciers, which could contribute to rising sea levels worldwide. The delicate balance of Antarctica's ecosystem is at risk, with potential repercussions for its unique wildlife and the global climate. To protect and preserve Antarctica's fragile environment, the Antarctic Treaty was signed in 1959. This landmark agreement designates Antarctica as a scientific preserve and bans military activity, ensuring that the continent remains a place of peaceful scientific research and cooperation. Since its inception, the treaty has been signed by 54 countries, covering over two-thirds of the world's population. Tourism in Antarctica has grown in recent years, attracting adventurers and nature enthusiasts eager to experience the raw beauty and rare wildlife of the continent. However, with the rise in tourism, there is also a growing concern about the potential impact on the delicate ecosystem. To address this, guidelines and regulations have been put in place to ensure that visitors tread lightly and minimize their footprint on this pristine wilderness. In conclusion, Antarctica stands as a frozen realm of wonder and mystery, a place of extremes and enchantment. Its surreal landscapes, towering icebergs, and captivating wildlife create a scene like no other on Earth. As we explore this frozen continent and delve into its scientific treasures, we must also recognize the need to preserve its fragile ecosystem for future generations. Antarctica's unique beauty and vital role in understanding our planet's history and future underscore the importance of responsible stewardship and international cooperation in safeguarding this frozen wonderland for generations to come.